Big up everybody we check in. Now the people must say freedom for Ninja Man. And then we couldn't say why other entertainers, even other artists that were once also behind the bars, are also calling for the freedom of Ninja Man. And if you don't agree, I also want to see Ninja Man released from incarceration. Drop a like on the video. And also drop a comment in the comment section. Then we can hear what I go on and then we can continue listening. I want to look and listen.
On both sides it's wicked, but I can tell you something. That is an escape. If you kill me, all my troubles are over and you're just begun. You hear? 6 man must carry this, I don't care. But the man who live to suffer, that's the man who really suffering. You understand me? And no care what you do, when you live to regret, it's a very serious road. And even worse, if it's something where you want to do and not suffer for it, which I cannot say yes or no whether I'm it or not, you must me have to say. From both sides, 2 set of families suffer. And 1 continue suffering. Because after 1 gone, you just miss them and not say this one done. But if you go visit one in prison every week, every month, and if you know say you have your family in a prison, me now look for cartel this way him disrespect and me this a whole heap of people because that God open my way for Vibes Cartel, and when him come out him see himself and look into himself and know say, yeah, me know, the road where me that chad pan and cartel never clash yet. Cartel perform and them call me to perform and then come back on the stage with them animosity, and that's where it ends. Me and them never have a clash, me and them never have upon a poster say me and them have a clash. Whatever time me and an artist have a competition, me and them advertise for the competition from this day 1 till when the day when we have up on stage. Not something where you just run come on stage come clash me. You understand me? So me and Cartel never have a clash, and I want you to get that in your history book here.
Now the people must say the more them see these footages of Ninja Man, some previous interviews and things like that, they must say it will make them appreciate and want to see Ninja Man freed even more. Some people are say this are the Ninja Man way them themselves they remember, because enough people probably don't gonna know or gonna see him on performances and probably hear when him make the headlines or the tabloids and things like that. But everybody remember all of these interviews. Some of them footage I first me I see them. Me never see them yet. This video footage in particular, me never see it yet. The first me I see it. But when me hear what I say, I see why after being released, Vibes Cartel definitely say, yo, Ninja Man forget freed. And I see why no matter where him there in the world and people ask him about the people that inspire him, he always say, yo, Ninja and Buju. He always say it. And as I say, even though what they take place, for the younger generation who never hear about it, I probably only hear about it through songs or through word of mouth, Ninja Man and Vibes Cartel is also a on stage kind of affliction. Ninja Man cleared up even in this very same interview saying that he never have a clash with Cartel. He say what take place is that him up on the stage and Cartel followed up on the stage. So he must say that it never promoted as a lyrical clash or nothing like that. So it was just a happenings. But even with that happen, given the opportunity to talk about it, people that feel like say, yo, Ninja would have say, you know, try this. I say something bad about Cartel. I notice say, yo, him never yet try to do that. Now he's trying to say something uplifting, or say, yo, boy, hopefully when him forward out, him can, you know, find himself and know, say, yo, him now deal with certain things. And we'll see, Vibes Cartel released. We see him buy a new mansion in Florida. Some people are say, him already decided, say, it would be best for both him career and the lives of him and his family if he reside somewhere else. And you look at that go on. While it might just be him purchasing a property overseas, add to his portfolio. You know them thing they are wealth. And with the type of money where Vibes Cartel I make recently, him probably have to think about wealth right now. He's supposed to have one of them advisor there, financial advisor. We advise him on for diversify, invest in stocks, real estate, and maybe that's one of the reasons why I'm buy a mansion in Florida. Maybe just for the portfolio. Maybe I'm not choose for living in America. You know what I mean? Remember, see them is also a UK citizen. You know? Him could have easily as well say I'm going to reside in the UK. But who knows? But Ninja Man, what I definitely notice is that them's the absence made the heart grow fonder. And it seems like with Ninja Man not being seen on stages, them not hear Ninja Man on the recent interviews, it made the people more nostalgic. And the people miss the Dan Gargan more. Yeah, the fans them I say unique is the presence that Ninja Man brings to dancehall music. What him bring, nobody else can bring it. You have other people who bring them own thing, and nobody else can do what them do neither. But for the moment right now, we are talking about Ninja Man. And clearly, we have never seen another entertainer like Ninja Man. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me if you agree with the people, and I say a freedom for him. Freedom, I say, Ninja Man do him time now. As an elder statesman, a veteran, an icon, a legend in the dancehall business, the people must say a time for Ninja Man forward out. Return to him family. Return to him fans. Well wishers to the people of the nation. And of course, I can ask them to tell me anything. Because of course, the opinions of the people might not know this. But in certain matters, sometimes the opinions of the people are also things where the appeal court considers. They might not say it, but it is something where them consider too. Because them still consider if they should grant the release of someone, how will society look at the ruling? Them still look on things like that. So if them look on things like that, that means them look on people's opinion. And right now, what I say the people's opinion is that the people must say, Ninja Man for forward. Some people say them still never see how them convict Ninja Man in the first place, while not actually seeing or see no eyewitness actually saying that he committed the crime. See that the person who was the closest witness did not actually see who fired that fatal shot. So some people say them I wonder how Ninja Man was convicted. And before my attorney passed, she'd also say the way the case, the initial trial they play out, it was something strange within itself. So most people believe say when the case is presented in front of the appeal court, Ninja Man will get released. Just like how we say Cartel release, we say Dante and his other co-accused, you know? Because they must say some of the time, or even some of the time, when a case, like a murder case, something so serious, 12 jury. They must say why Ninja Man case pushed through without the 12 jury. Was that deliberate? Was that so Ninja Man could be convicted? Or was it a blunder? Was it something that shouldn't have been done but happened? Just like the cartel case with the jury. Same jury thing. Same jury thing. Just in a different way. Same jury thing but in a different way. Tell me what you think. And the reason I get my sentiments for you and George is that you live, love and prosper, and also for you stay tuned.